Hic dies nostris longe gravissimus fuit. Okay, subject, hic dies. Nostris is dative. Adverb over here. O, and gravissimus modifies hic dies, and then fuit. So this is almost like a dative of possession. Our guys had hic dies gravissimus, or you could just say dative of disadvantage. This day was the most serious for our guys to our disadvantage, by far. Said, tamen hunc habuit eventum. Hunc, of course, modifies eventum, and the subject of habuit is still hic dies. And the neat thing about eventum is that it usually introduces a result clause, the outcome that, and we know that because we've got this ut here. Eventum ut eo die maximus numerus hostium vulneraretur atque interficerator. So it had the outcome that, and our clause is going to end here at the subjunctive verb. Oh, just in case you're wondering what day, it was still that day, ablative. Your subject, of course, is maximus numerus hostium, a very great number of enemy. Here's your verb, two verbs, that and that. So it happened that these things occurred. Okay, so we just got done with the subjunctive clause. Why does Caesar give us another ut here? Well, we'll keep reading and find out. Ut se sub ipso valo constipaverant recusumque primis ultimi non dabant. Oh, sneaky Caesar. He's probably just testing to see if you notice that ut plus indicatives are different than ut plus subjunctives up there, which makes sense. We don't have any reason for a new subjunctive clause. Nothing happened. So ut plus an indicative is just as. As, or since, as, and then we've got what? Prepositional phrase here. This is probably the direct object. Oh, it is the direct object of constipaverant. So the subject is still the enemy. The enemy did this to themselves beneath that wall. And we've got a que here. And what else did they do? So the enemy did this indicative verb and this indicative verb joined by que. And recusumque, oh, that's accusative, and that's the direct object of dabant. So this is pretty standard here. We've got accusative, dative, nominative, verb. So these guys were not giving this to those guys. And that is probably why this up here happened.